for calling Wave 252 TNTI Travel. My name is Grisel and I'm here to assist you today. May I have your name, please?
My name is Jessica.
Thank you, Mika. How can I assist you today with your travel plans or question? I see that you are a valued customer of Wave 252 TNTI. How can I assist you with your upcoming travel plans? Are you looking to book a new trip, make changes to your existing reservation, or do you have any travel-related question?
I need to make change to my existing reservation.
I'd be happy to help with that. To better assist you, may I have your booking reference or ticket number?
My booking reference is ABC123.
Thank you, Miss Jessica. Let me pull up your reservation. Please hold on for a moment. I appreciate your patience, Miss Jessica. I located your reservation. Can you please confirm the details of your current booking? For departure and arrival cities, dates, and the name of passenger.
I am flying from New York to Los Angeles on November 15 and the passenger are Jan Sarah Smith.
Thank you for confirming that. How would you like to modify your reservation? Are you looking to change the travel dates, add or remove passenger, or make any other specific adjustment?
I need to change the departure date to November 8.
Understood. Let me check the availability for the new date. Please hold on for a moment. Thank you for waiting, Miss Jessica. I checked the availability for November 18 and I see that the seat available. Would like to sit with the change?
Yes, please change the departure date to November 18.
Great. I updated your reservation to reflect the new departure date of November 18. Is there anything else would you like to modify or any other question I can assist you with today?
No, that's all for now. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Your reservation has been successfully updated to depart on November 18. You will receive a confirmation email shortly with the revised details. If you have any more questions or need further assistance in the future, please don't hesitate to reach out. It was my pleasure assisting you today, Miss Jessica. Have a wonderful day and safe travel. Goodbye.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.